So for starters, you're just in your bridge position, which is knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Make sure that your hips, knees, and ankles are all in a line. Arms down by your side. Good. Take a big inhale. Exhale. Pulling pubic bone towards your rib cage. So we're going to sequence up. So we'll flatten out our low back and we press up into a bridge. So when you get to the top of your bridge in an ideal world, your armpit, hips, and knees are all in a line. As you're up here, I want you to just sort of mentally check in with your body. Your neck and shoulders are relaxed. That belly's pulling in. You've got pubic bone pulling towards your rib cage. So you're tucking. You should feel your glutes engage more when you do that. Feet are nice and grounded. Holding here. Good. Inhale, exhale. Drop your sternum. Think about lengthening your tailbone away as you come all the way down.